Clay's Automotive Service Center in Folsom, Pennsylvania is your go-to destination for top-quality auto repair and maintenance services. Our auto repair mechanics are equipped to handle a wide range of automotive issues, from routine maintenance and oil changes to complex engine repairs and diagnostics. Call us today if you have any questions. Are you looking for an auto repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Clay's Automotive Service Center. How do I know when my car needs maintenance? Common signs that your car needs maintenance include unusual noises, decreased fuel efficiency, warning lights on your dashboard, and changes in handling or braking. What types of auto repair services do you offer? We provide a variety of services, such as oil changes, brake repairs, engine diagnostics, transmission servicing, tire replacement, and more. Our trained experts can perform both routine and difficult repairs. What is your service area for the Folsom, Pennsylvania service office? Our auto repair serve the following: Alden, Folsom, Holmes, Springfield, Sharon Hill, Darby, Folcroft, Swarthmore, Ridley Park, Rutledge, Clifton Heights, East Lansdowne, Prospect Park, Ridley Park, Glenolden, Lansdowne, Media, Aston, Chester, Delaware County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Folsom, Pennsylvania auto repair office located? We are located at 1000 McDade Boulevard, Folsom, Pennsylvania 19033. Our phone number is 610-534-7044. Visit our website, www.claysauto.com.